my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. Okay. I'm bouncing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Alright, y'all, we live from the Cutlass cobbler. I gotta take this stick off, man. Do it at the gas station. Like, man, you got an LS in that thing? If I want to keep it secret, I can't. But LSX Innovations, man. LSCR free ship for free shipping on your order. Getting into some tuning and everything like that. So as I get this dialed in, I was like, you know, we was waiting on tires, waiting on the snow to go away, all that good stuff. So we're gonna play with it, get it where we want it to be, get it dialed in, fill in any holes, etc., and then go from there. So let's get into it. Alright, so we don't wait until the sun that went down a little bit. Finna go make some noise on some back roads. I noticed something I did wrong the last time. I'll tell y'all about it when we get out here. Alright, man, so we up here at El Gaso station where the lights do you right. Gas station lights get you right every time. Yes, sir. We ain't even fully buy them, and they get you right. But yeah, damn. Did a couple runs, man. Gonna look at some data, review it, put the changes in, and then apply them and go from there. Alright, so we back. So after the last night tune session, I guess you could call it, still wasn't sitting where I needed it to be. I didn't have internet access to get access to the data that I wanted to be able to get a hold to. Still had some lean spots, but pretty much I went and found a map from a guy that was running a similar setup. I compared it to what I had, and the table is fattened up a whole bunch more as far as it's fattened up as far as fuel, fueling, because let me just open this compare file right quick. So alright, so after the second log, go engine. I apologize for the little shadowing or whatever. Hold on, let me get you together. But it is what it is. So yeah, this is the map that we finna put on there. And this is the map we was kind of fooling with. It was getting it dialed in. It was taking a little bit longer than expected, but as you can see, like the highest point on here, if we put our little, let's see, is it right there? I think the highest is like 112, 124, and the lowest spot down here was like a 28. So with this map here, I want